Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to walk through the different ways to add content to your campaign, including uploading a PDF and creating a template inside PostGrid. On the creative step of your campaign, you have two options for uploading content for your email pieces. The first option is to upload a PDF for your mail pieces. You'll need to make sure your PDF follows the design guidelines for your specific collateral type and destination. For example, for letters sent to the US and international destinations, you'll need to follow these design guidelines, taking into account the add or stamp zone and the margin around the page. When generating the preview with our upload PDF, it will look like this. Note how the addressed regions have been inserted into the address stamp zone. Your other option is to create a template within the PostGrid dashboard. To do this, click Add New Template. Give a name for your template. Keep the HTML option unchecked and hit Create. Choose your collateral destination and type and continue. Here, you have a few options for creativity. You can add text. And you can add merge variables, such as for a promo code. We also have stock images available from Unsplash, which you are free to use as you deem fit. You can also upload your own images if you'd like. You can also choose to insert lines and shapes into your templates. You can also insert trackers made through the PostGrid dashboard. Now this template is ready to use in your campaign. Select the template in the template dropdown, and you will be able to use this template in your campaign.